People have been manufacturing new things to make their lives easier since the dawn of time.
With the invention of the car, mass-producing assembly lines came about to aid production.
We're here at St. Mary's American Axle to find out what's so cool about manufacturing.
AAM was established in 1994. Originally, it was a GM axle division, and a group of gentlemen decided to purchase that axle division from GM and established AAM.
Powdered metal is poured into the hopper. Then it's transported down the pipes into the press.
The powder is pressed to its desired shape.
The piece is then moved to sintering and is compacted from the heat, making a hard part.
Then precision detail make grooves on the part that the press is unable to make.
Then the part is inspected by quality control for flaws. Lastly, the part is loaded and shipped to the customer.
My job is an automation engineer, and what that entails is anytime a part needs to get from one place to another, that goes through me. Anytime a operation has to happen to a part, I have to make sure that part gets to a machine, gets through the machine, and out of the machine.
Personally, what I think is really cool about manufacturing is the fact that you can take something that looks like baby powder, press it together, make a hard part that goes in an engine and runs your car. I've been here for 37 years.
About 4 years.
For 2 years.
For about 8.5 years.
This is my 15th year with the company.
I think the future for American Axle holds a smarter future. We're implementing a lot of new technology so we can do things a much safer, smarter, faster, cleaner way. And in order to preserve our world, that's a necessity.
And that's St. Mary's AAM, where they bring the future faster through powder metal innovation in the automotive industry.